Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a GitHub repository in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, go to github.com and log into your account. If you don't have one, you can create it for free. Once you're logged in, click on the plus icon at the top right and select New Repository to start creating a new repo. Now, give your repository a name. Keep it simple and related to your project. For example, I'll name mine My First Project. You can choose to make your repository public or private. Public means anyone can see it, and private means only you and people you invite can access it. If you want, you can check the box to add a README. This is where you can describe your project. Once you're done, click the Create Repository button at the bottom. And that's it. You've just created your GitHub repository. You can now add code, collaborate, and start your project. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in the next one.